Welcome back again. I'm just going to do a bunch of these because I've got a bit of time today, so we'll get a few done. But so yeah, 44/7 or 22/7 is it's 2 pi r actually up there. But so this is a common approximation for 2 pi r. I've taken the liberty of just taking the end bit and having a bit of fun with a name for it. Then I've just rounded it up. I've just taken the liberty of just rounding that up to a 6, 3, and the answer is. So yeah, that's the Earth equatorial diameter in kilometres, 12,756 kilometres. And we times that by our little lemur friend. We just rounded him up to a 6.3. You'll see why, but it just gives us a nice clean number for you guys to see. The answer is 365.204. So we've just taken that little bit of extra from our pi, or 2 pi r, times it by the equatorial diameter in kilometres, we get 365.204. Actually, I'll do one more. So about a month ago with Melissa and Matt, I said that the string length, the ultimate godly architect string length, was 630 mil. And I showed that, actually it's on the other side here, sorry. And I showed, so when you use the equation, the ratio that luthiers must use to build an instrument with 12-note equal temperament, it's the 12th root of 2. But anyway, it gives you these, and they get smaller and smaller on the guitars, but that's the ratio that you must use. So we saw that the moon, that's 35.4 millimetres, that's the moon in days, 354 days is the moon's orbit. So then we've got Mars at the next one, but we've also, as we saw over here, that we just drew the circle, had 1,000 as radius. We come up using that little lemur, our little number here. We get these hypotenuse of 3,024. So yeah, we can see that even when we do our circle over there, and also when we use our perfect equal temperament ratio, using the string length at 630 mil, we also get that same number here at fret number 2. So there's a lot of stuff with Rosicrucians and others about Gemini, the Gemini twins, the Gemini theme. And Gemini in Latin just means 2 or twins. So there's all these types of things, like the myth type stuff, is actually making a lot of sense when we look at it like this, in all these types of ways, the quadrivium ways, astronomy, harmony, arithmetic, and geometry. But it really does explain, all these myths. So I'll just probably do another one in a sec, but yeah, thanks.